So for today, guys, I'm taking you guys to work and I'm going to show you exactly what I do most of the time, right? So we're going to go to work. After that, show you my workplace. I guess can't show you guys everything. Come back and I'll show you guys my daily routines. I think I do not have fuel. So before I get to work, I need to go to the filling station to actually pour some fuel. Work usually starts at 8 o'clock, but I usually leave home around 9, mainly because there's a lot of traffic in the morning. So what happens is I wake up and I do work remotely. Then around 9 o'clock, I leave for work because I have a meeting every day at 10 o'clock that I have to attend. So this is our filling station. Just want to pour a little bit of petrol, probably $300. That should take me to work and back, and I guess for the week as well. So work is technically 40 kilometers from where I stay. So in that sense, it's like 9 o'clock right now. I should be at work, relatively speaking, at 9:30. Then I'll get settled before my 10 o'clock meeting. And now close to work, literally, that's why I work. The building in front of you guys, that's why I work. So I'll put it back on again when I'm in the entrance, and when I'm actually entering the building, then I have to switch it off because I can't be filming in there. So this is the main entrance. Let's go find some parking. Forgive the noise, there's something in my boot. Parking seems full, but let's see if we can get a spot. I'll come back to you guys when I find a parking spot. So what I'll do is I'll show you guys towards the entrance when we actually get into the building, then I will switch the camera off. This is the coffee area. This is all I can shoot for now. So this is our floor. That way. Heading to my seat. So this is the cafeteria. Hello. Hi, how's it? What meat do you have? But it's finished. So there's no more meat. Oh. Only burgers, ne? Now it's craving for meat. Let's check over that other side. Oh. I was craving for meat. Okay, there's rice. There's mince. There is sam. That's couscous. Oh my goodness, these guys have forced me to eat my lunch without meat. I do not. Buddy, what do you want so I can get it for you?
I'll just have chips and then.
Oh, okay.
Then we're going after an hour, we'll be gone.
Yeah, no worries. Is there a microwave here? Oh, there is.
Yeah,
let me warm up my food. Just let me know, then I'll sort you out.
Yeah, wait for me.
All right, cool. Day is over. Now I'm going home. It's 5 o'clock. So I'm finally done with work. I'm going home now, and it started raining. So we'll continue this when I'm home. I think I might go to the gym today because if it's raining, it's not. try and do my 5 kilometers. Yeah, see you guys then. This is actually some of the traffic that I'm scared of, or should I say I get tired of. So usually from work, I usually get this sort of traffic, which is painful at times because you need to sit in traffic for the times. I think I've sat in traffic for like 2 hours, and funny enough, this is like literally 5 or maybe 7 kilometers to home, but then it can be very, very long. Now we're almost home. So that's me from morning to work and back. In a few minutes I'm gonna do my 5 kilometer run. Then after that, I think that'll be it for today. At least you guys had a day in the life of me. Open sesame. Okay, come on now. So now my running has begun. I'll stop here and there, but yeah, I'm doing 5 kilometers. Five kilometers in 31 minutes. Hope you guys can see it. So I'm technically done for the day. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go home, take a shower, then after that do some work and hopefully do a little side project that I'm busy with. Thanks again guys for keeping up with me. That's a day in the life of Joseph, or should I say Kwesi, right? See you next week for other translations. Bye.